Hello, everyone. My name is Mary Barnes, and I am the dietetic intern here at K-State Research and Extension. And today I will be showing you a recipe for leftover stuffing and turkey muffins. These are a great way to repurpose your leftovers from Thanksgiving, and they are savory and flavorful and a great grab-and-go breakfast in the morning. So we'll start out with having your oven preheated to 375 degrees and having your muffin tin buttered and or greased up. And so you're going to want to start with 3 cups of prepared stuffing and then 1 cup of chopped turkey. If you don't have enough of leftovers of either of these, that's okay. You can kind of fill up the space with some more veggies. I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to take 16 ounces of frozen and thawed spinach. You could also use fresh, just make sure you drain all that moisture out or squeeze. And then I have 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. You can also use goat cheese, brie, feta, whatever you like. And also for veggies, you can use corn, sweet potatoes, green beans, just whatever you like, peppers, onions. It's really customizable, which is great. So we're going to mix this together. Make sure you break up your spinach. And you can also use ham if you don't have enough turkey or if you're a ham family. Whatever you have is a great way to repurpose. So now with this mixed, you're going to take your mixture and just move it into your muffin tin. Make sure to loosely pack it because you want to have room for your egg, so don't smash it down. Okay, so with the mixture into your muffin tin, you're going to take your eggs. You're going to put in, we have 8 eggs here, and you're going to put in 3 tablespoons of milk. And then 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And whisk. Okay, so now your eggs are mixed. With your mixture, you can make up to 18 muffins. I'm just going to go ahead and show you these 12 right now. And also another note is the more veggies you put in here, probably the more eggs you are going to need in order to fill up the muffin tin. So I'm going to take a tablespoon and I'm going to do 3 tablespoons in each muffin well. Okay, so 3 tablespoons in each muffin. And your eggs will rise, so if it doesn't look as full, that's okay. Okay, so now we have our egg into our muffin wells. The egg should not be covering the top or up to the top. It should just look moistened. The mixture should. So it's okay if you don't see egg all the way up to the top. It will rise as it cooks. So now we're going to put this into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. So here are our leftover turkey and stuffing muffins done. You can see mine, I baked them for a little bit longer, so they're a little bit more crispy and golden brown, but it's completely up to you how crispy you want them. So these can be stored within the fridge and eaten within a few days or placed in the freezer for probably up to 1 month or so. Heat them up for 30 seconds to a minute when you're ready to enjoy.